climbs to its highest level since late February. Robinhood's earnings report reveals crypto revenue jumped 100% from the year before, and Alicia Painter of Botanix Labs breaks down what's driving the price of Bitcoin right now.
Before we get into the quick update, welcome on into another episode of the Crypto Dough channel. And I'm here to tell you what's going on with Bitcoin and how to believe that, and the crypto market as well. Don't get me wrong. It's not just Bitcoin. We have the XRP. Let me know what cryptos you guys own. We have the AVAX. We have the Cardano community. I am ultra bullish on crypto right now. I'm ultra bullish. Well, I am Crypto Dough. I'm here to share everything I know with you guys, so together we can go further than Wells Fargo. Smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, share this video as well, and also support the channel by getting the crypto merch. It's going to be pinned in the description and also pinned onto the top of the channel as well. Let's get into it. Quick morning update.
Welcome to CNBC's Crypto World. I'm Ryan Baker. Major cryptocurrencies in the green today as we kick off the month of May. As of noon Eastern, Bitcoin climbed 3% to just under $97,000 after crossing that mark earlier this morning, reaching its highest level since late February. Ether rose 5% and XRP climbed more than 3.5%. Both crypto and stocks traded higher as of midday on strong tech earnings.
That's actually excellent. Also, Robinhood, they just showed you the way that, crypto and blockchain technology is going to be super ultra bullish and important for the space, because crypto is the only thing you could trade 24 hours. What happens if you could trade a lot of your stocks 24 hours, right? It would add tremendous liquidity to it. And that's the importance of the blockchain technology. I believe we're going to look at a couple of graphs in a few. We'll give him a moment to talk about a quick update before I dive into it.
Okay, let's talk about the top stories. Robinhood's first quarter profit more than doubled, and the firm's transaction-based revenue, which includes crypto trading, rose nearly 80% from the year before. That's according to the retail trading platform's earnings report, which dropped yesterday after the closing bell. In it, the company revealed that most of those transaction-based gains came from a 100% jump in crypto trading activity from the year before. This came as Bitcoin dropped from the highs seen in the quarter before and faced a volatile few months amid President Trump's trade policy announcements, which triggered turbulence across asset classes.
Put a one in the chat if you believe that what's going on with the tariffs and all that is actually beneficial to crypto. I believe in the long term it's beneficial to crypto and the short term, because it shows you that Bitcoin and a certain asset class, right? We don't care about tariffs. If you're in the fiat currency, fiat dollars, fiat whatever you're in, based on your nation, then that's what you should care about, right? That's who cares about tariffs and what's going on in politics. But as far as crypto is concerned, to me, we're decoupling from the stock. We're standing on our own, and it shows, right? You would expect Bitcoin to fall when the stocks fail. Bitcoin did not fall. It held strong. And I believe that in the near future, by November, December of this year, right, Bitcoin is going to be at least $175,000. And another reason why I wanted to make this episode is to let you guys know the rich don't care about permission, right? By the time you get into the market and a lot of people are on the sidelines, it's going to be too late. Bitcoin is going to be $170,000, $200,000. The average person cannot afford $175,000 to $200,000. It's just not going to work like that. It's never going to be like that. So saying it all to say, be very careful of what you think is going on with the be very careful of what you actually think is going on with the market, because I look at the market as being crypto is definitely deflationary. Crypto is definitely deflationary, especially Bitcoin, especially Monero, especially Bitcoin, because it's going to be part of the strategic reserve. Let's continue.
That benefited platforms like Robinhood by boosting trading activity. As of noon, shares of the company dropped just under 2%. Next, Visa continues to expand its crypto offerings through new partnerships, this time with a focus on stablecoins. One of those new partnerships is with crypto payments platform Banks, aimed at allowing US customers to spend Circle's USDC from their crypto wallets. Another new partnership is with stablecoin-focused firm Bridge. Yesterday, Visa announced.
Now, another thing too, he did not mention, and I'm here to connect the dots, right? MasterCard is also doing something with XLM. XLM, we all know who created the Circle stablecoin. That's what XLM creator as well. So pay attention to the connected dots. All of these things are connected. Now, Visa, MasterCard, all these big time card lenders, right? They want a part of the crypto space and the blockchain technology, blockchain space as well. Be very careful. Now, Zebek, I've been telling you guys about Zebek for a while. You guys know that they just partnered up with MasterCard, and you can get your MasterCard and use it and get Zebek points and everything else. So just look at how far crypto has come. Also, one of my goals for this channel, you can't get anywhere without goals. One of my goals set for this channel, help me get to 10,000 subs. That's all I ask. So smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell notification for me. Ding, 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 ding. That's all I ask. Let's continue.
Announced that the collaboration would offer stablecoin-linked cards to customers in Latin America. As of noon, Visa shares dropped slightly by under 1%. Sticking with payment processors, earlier this week, MasterCard announced a partnership with another payment processor and crypto exchange OKX to power stablecoin transactions. Last, UK crypto and fintech firms are expressing concern over losing entrepreneurs to competing jurisdictions. Several crypto executives told CNBC that the UK has created an unfavorable environment for those sectors. In regards to stablecoins, Clearbank CEO told CNBC that the company wishes to develop one, but regulatory clarity is needed. Meanwhile, Coinbase's UK head points to debanking as an issue, claiming individuals or businesses who work in crypto can't get bank accounts. All this comes amid a dramatic.
Well, debanking to me isn't an issue. Debanking to me is a solution so you can actually put these things, you can have total control of your money. This is why I like Bitcoin. This is why I like crypto, because when the United States told you that they wanted to freeze your account, when they freeze the truckers account, when they freeze Andrew Tate account, when they freeze the Russians account, why do you think that they're now operating in Bitcoin? Because you can't freeze Bitcoin. You can't freeze Monero. You can't freeze a certain thing that's not centralized, that's actually decentralized. You can't freeze those things. So to me, why do you think that the world is trying to bank the unbanked? Right? But they're doing it in a way that you yourself can become the bank. And for the first time in history, right, you yourself can literally become the bank. Why not? It's a great responsibility to have. No one's going to take care of your money better than you're going to take care of your money. Mark my words. Crypto Doe have told you this. Recite it, repeat it. Let people know. No one in the world is going to take care of your money and have your best intent with your money better than you are with your money. So it's time to control it. We have the technology that's needed in order to control it. I believe that the CIA, they came up with Bitcoin, so why not own a piece of their technology? I just look at it like that. If they're coming up with these fly cameras and camera phones and fly cars and technologies, right? Wouldn't you want to own these things? See, I don't look at these things as being coins. Like a lot of people, oh, you're purchasing a coin. What's a coin? What's tokenization? No, I'm purchasing a part of technology that you don't understand. I'm purchasing XRP, which is still decentralized, but I still have a lot of XRP. I'm purchasing Zebek, payroll solution. Technology. I'm purchasing technology. I'm into the technological advancement field. That's what I'm into. So I look at it for what it actually is, right? Think about it. You don't have to be an angel investor. They don't have to know about who's purchasing what. You finally, for the first time in your life, instead of you buying stocks, right, which is you getting a derivative of a derivative of a derivative of something, you don't actually own a piece of Apple. You own a paper note that says that you own a derivative of something, right? I'm not saying that there's not financial incentives for that. Sure, it is. But you're literally talking about owning a piece of something that you yourself can literally say you can own as soon as you move it off the exchanges. Understand how important that is. Do you guys understand? It's so mind-boggling to me. People don't really get it. I'm here to explain it, though. That's why I'm Crypto Doe. It's time for people to understand. Like I say, the rich don't need permission to do anything. They just move. So I want you guys to have that frequency, have that mindset. Everything is numbers, everything is frequency. Understand that. Have that mindset to know that you yourself can possess these things and it's right in front of us. And you don't want the curtain to close and the show to be over, and you'll be lining up outside wondering why the theater is full, or why there's no one in the theater anymore because the show is over. Say Ray 13, 316 said, "Thanks for the great information, crypto. Though truly, decentralized money is the future. They're bringing 8 billion people all together at the same time into DeFi. Praise God." Someone understands. Seems like she understands. Yes, DeFi is the future. CeFi, I've learned how to invest in CeFi. That's why I like XRP and a certain centralized projects. But as far as financial freedom, I'm DeFi all the way. DeFi all the way. DeFi beats CeFi to me any day. Not saying I'm not going to invest in CeFi. Don't get me wrong. Centralized finance. So I'm going to invest in it. But DeFi, I'm definitely investing in it. She also says real-time payment will change payroll for employees and employers. And this is why I like Zebek. Ticker symbol ZBCN, the Zebek network. This is why I like it, because they're in charge of the payroll, and I'm going to invest into and they're connected to a lot of people like Ondo, Jasmine. They're connected to a lot of different things. So I said, if they're in charge of payroll, imagine you, right? For every minute and every second that you own, you get paid. Not wait till a month, wait till bi-weekly, wait for weekly checks. No, every time, every second you get paid, it hits your account. Imagine what you can do with that money. Just imagine. So understand what's really going on. She also states that, I'm interacting with the audience real quick. Crypto Doe, do you like XDC? I love XDC. That's one of my bags as well, because I understand they're going to tokenize the world as well. As far as gold and everything else, oh yes, XDC is definitely part of the bag. If this is your first time in here, say Ray 316, smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. That's all I ask. Also, let me show you guys my before I go into the next subject matter, right? I want to show you guys my crypto store real quick, because I just created like a lot of different little things, and I'm kind of proud of myself with it. I'm extremely proud of myself with it. So let me show you guys. I want to show you guys my store. I want to show you guys my store, and hopefully I put the correct link to that. But let me show you guys my store, and I'm getting it ready real quick on the next screen. Let me show you guys my store, and I want you guys to go check me out, because the brother has been working hard. I've been working hard. So I'm gonna stop sharing that screen, right, and check out my store. Check out my store. This is my store right here. Check out my store. It's the Crypto Doe merch. Let me see if the link. See, I have the wrong link up. Purchase my. Let me change my link real quick. Okay, I just changed my link. So make sure that let me make sure that link is actually pinned to the top of the chat as well. Okay, so let me make sure that that's pinned, and then I want you guys to check out my store. All right, so check my store out. Let's peruse through the store real quick. I just made these socks yesterday. These socks I just made yesterday, right? So check my store out. Fly socks. Check the XDC. You have the Ada. You have the skulls. Um, I put a couple of my projects that I invest in. You have the Block V. You have the Edge, right? So those are socks, right? Now this is the hand. This is basically a tote bag. So check out the tote bag, as you guys can see, crypto whale tote bag. You have it in different sizes. So that's the 18 by 18. That's the large one, crypto whale. Go check that out, and it comes with different uh, it comes with different straps as far as handles, right? It comes with different handles. So you have the black handle strap right there, as you guys can see. You could change it to maybe the red. You could change it to the red handle straps, or you can change it to the blue handle straps. I think those are good color coordinations. So ladies, if you're in here, you can go check that out as well. Um, One more thing I have to show. Let's just see. Let's peruse through it. Um, so I showed you the socks. I have the XRP merch shirts. I definitely like the black one. That sits pretty well. This is the XRP. Check out the back is clean. The front, this is just real simple, and it comes in different colors. I have the orange. I have the brown, the heather olive. I have the green. We have the blue as well. So let's go check that out. Let's just see. I have some XRP embroidered sweaters as well. Some XRP embroidered sweaters. So you guys can go check that out. Orange, blue, pinks, all different kinds. So I want you to go check my store out as well. Go check my store out. And also I have some Bitcoin sweaters as well. People have been getting a lot of the colors, like the yellows, the orange, the green, the blue, the Hacilius is basically like a salmon pink. So go check that out as well, right? Now that's enough of the store. That's enough of the store. I have to broadcast what I've been doing. So smash that like button, subscribe to the channel. That's all I ask. I will check out your store, Crypto, though. I want some XRP merch. I appreciate it. I have a lot of XRP merch on there. XRP. And let me know what other things you guys want me to drop, like mugs, water bottles, candles, anything along that nature that support the actual brand. And I appreciate the love. Say Ray 316. I appreciate the love one at a time. Hopefully you're having a good day, and you're going to have an even better day, because it is Friday. It's the weekend. I hate to use the word weekend. I like the word strong end. So let's get it. Let's check out the market real quick. So we had a little quick coverage. Let's go to Coin Market Cap. That's one of my favorite things to look at. So Coin Market Cap, and then we can end it. Coin Market Cap, Ethereum. Ethereum right now is $1,800 and 1800. Well, you guys can see the number on the screen. Check the volume out. Okay, let's check out the big three. XRP, what we doing? XRP is at $2.21. This is good because it was at 213 and it actually had to come back up, which is good. I kind of like that. XRP going to hit about $5 to $10 this cycle, or even more. It can be even more. A lot of people are saying XRP is going to $100. It's going to $1,000. Not this cycle. Maybe in 10, 20 years, right? Of course, but not in this cycle. So don't listen to those channels. They just want you to click. It's a clickbait thing with them, right? They just want you to click. What else do we have to offer? XRP. Let's check out the Bitcoin. Let's check out Bitcoin as well. Bitcoin is at $96,976. As you guys can see, 96,970. I think this is ultra bullish for the space because anything above 95, which I've been saying, you guys can go check my post out. You guys can check my post out. I've been saying that anything above 95 is good. Now, it can go all the way up from 95, sky past 100 to about 110 through $123,000. Then it can come back down a little bit and then take off another leg. So that's what I personally believe in the space. And then let's just say by November, December of this year, mark my words, Bitcoin is going to be 175K to 200K. Mark my words. Let's see what Say Ray said, 313. I'm making some eggs for the kiddos, starting the morning strong. It's going to be a great day the Lord has made. I'm going to rejoice and be glad in it. That was well said. A happy Friday, future Will. I appreciate it. I also got some whale merch as well, crypto whale merch as well. I always try to capitalize on what's going on and also try to brand, because words are very powerful, right? Also try to brand what's going on, because a lot of people still don't know about crypto. The world knows nothing about crypto. As far as the majority knows nothing about crypto. So I'm here to tell you guys what you should know and break it down in a way that you can understand, not with those sophisticated words. I want a third grader to be able to understand what I'm saying. So I try to break it down in those manners as well. On that note, I wanted to read an article before I go. I forgot about the article. Yes, okay. So we checked out the quick market real quick. Let's check out the article, and then I can get up on out of here, right? And this article is Crypto Ninjas. This article is Crypto Ninja, right? And it's titled Bitcoin Holds at 96K as bulls watch key support. Can Bitcoin bull ride the momentum to deliver 10x gains and become the well-regarded early stage crypto project? I don't know if Bitcoin is going to go 10x from this point. Understand that these are headlines, right? Understand that these are headlines, but it can definitely 1x from here. Definitely 1x from here. Minimum. Now, in about 5 to 10 years, Bitcoin is going to be worth at least $1 million. Let's just say, and it can come before that. That's just 1 million. It's going to be worth millions to me in 20 to 25 years, right? It's going to be worth millions. When I have all my gray beards and stuff like that, maybe in like 30 years or whatever, about 40 years, then maybe that will be possible. Bitcoin's price movements have been the primary news in the cryptocurrency world lately. Since it hit a new all-time high in January this year, it has been evident that it can achieve even more. Let me make sure, you guys can't see it. Let me make sure that you can see it so we can read together a bit. Enlarge. Let me know, you guys can see it now? Okay, much better, correct? Much better. So now that its value is above 96K, investors are laser focused on what happens next. BTC Bull is currently recognizing as an emerging crypto pre-sale project as it's closely linked to Bitcoin's success. So let's analyze whether it will ride the momentum and deliver 10x gains. Right, like I say, that's a headline. I'm not gonna lie to my audience. We're not gonna have a 10x gain this year for Bitcoin. I don't see it. I see a 1x. Okay, I see it going from where it's at right now to 100 about 75,000 to 200K. All right, that's what I see. That's just what I see. A lot of people are going to spread hopium. I don't want to do that. I don't want to do that at all. So I'm gonna leave matter of fact, I'm not gonna read this whole entire article, right? I'm gonna leave this article so you guys can go ahead and read it. I'm gonna leave it underneath source in the description. Always give credit when credit's due. Underneath source in the description, I'm gonna leave that article. And then also I'm gonna leave the World Crypto video as well. And I believe that was by CNN, if I'm not mistaken. I'm going to leave that video link as well. So you guys can go check it out and actually finish the video if you guys would like to finish it. Make it easy so you don't have to scroll. Just copy, though that one is a bit extensive. Just copy and paste the URL, and then you guys should be right on in there. Because now I'm against time a bit, and I'm going to get out of here. Okay, so I left both of those for you guys to be able to read. I give credit when credit's due. Go check my project out. Go check my merch store out, get my crypto guide as well to support the channel. Let's read a little bit. Okay, the world knows zero about AI in 2012, but with crypto, we are able to own the future, and we are so early. Yes, we are. If we capitalize on AI 13 years ago, that's where we are now with crypto. Woohoo! That's facts. Also, it's certain AI projects that I like as well. We have AI projects in crypto that people got to understand it's going to be the way of the future. This is why I like BitTensor Tile. When you get a chance, say Raid 3116, look at BitTensor Tile, right? Once you understand what's going on with BitTensor Tile and it's an AI project and the government is actually already using it, then you're going to understand everything that I'm talking about. They're actually building out an infrastructure. So I own BitTensor Tile as well. That's going to be an AI one that booms. Not financial advice, but it's going to boom. It's going to be worth thousands of dollars, right? She also wrote that Michael Saylor wrote that headline for Bitcoin. Damn well he did. But the funny thing is, just the other day, I bought some more MicroStrategy because I understand if you can't afford Bitcoin right now as well, right? And who's to say you can't? You could. It's fractional reserve, so you don't have to buy a whole Bitcoin, right? But at the same time, own things that actually run with Bitcoin as well, if you understand what I'm saying. So MicroStrategy, I bought at $250, right? So I say, you know what? It has the potential to go up to that. If Bitcoin goes up to 175K by the end of the year, what do you think MicroStrategy is going to go up to? 100, 300K for one. Just think about it. And they may have a stock split. Let's just think about it, right? So I think like that. So I bought some more MicroStrategy as well. Also, I bought some more Bitcoin as well too. Just to do it. You stated BitTensor Tile, is that an AMM? I will check it out. Thank you. BitTensor Tile is definitely, what do you mean by AMM? I'm not sure what that acronym means. But BitTensor Tile is definitely the one that you should check out as well because it's AI based. It's AI based, like strictly AI based. And like I say, the government is already using it. I figured out, just like I believe Bitcoin is part of the CIA, invest in what the government invests in. What do you think bonds and treasury notes are? Investing in what they invest in because they're going to treat their products and protocols quite well, aren't they? They're going to make sure that we have a Bitcoin strategic reserve, aren't they? So I just believe in things like that. So on that note, I'm going to get on out of here. I appreciate the love. I appreciate having automatic maker or automatic marker maker. Like it optimize our crypto to yield to the most at the time, reallocate for our best benefits. It's AMM, but it's definitely a crypto maker for sure. And I understand what you said. I get the typo. It's all good over here. We understand. We are the humans. We make mistakes. I get it. So, but I want you to have a good day. I appreciate you. Thanks for tuning on in. So hit the sub button for me and go check out my store as well. This is Crypto Doe once again. Put on your seatbelts. It is time to take off in 5,